Hi lovely people, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be making the most delicious pancakes ever. Before we start making our pancakes, these are the ingredients I'll be using. I have all-purpose flour, powdered milk, sugar, margarine, cinnamon powder, this is optional, vanilla essence, some warm water, and I'll also be using salt. Then I have some 2 eggs here. I'll begin by melting the margarine so that I can add it to the batter that I'll be preparing afterwards. I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. So here I have my flour that I'm sieving into the bowl. Then I'll add the powdered milk to it, the cinnamon powder, the salt, the sugar, and then I'll mix everything together. You can also use nutmeg, but I don't have nutmeg, so in place of that I'm using the cinnamon powder. I've mixed the dry ingredients, so I'll go ahead and add some of the warm water to this mixture gradually until I reach the consistency that I want. This consistency is perfect for me, so the next thing to do is to beat the eggs and add it to the batter. I'll also add the melted margarine to it, but I'll not be adding all because I realized it was much. The last thing I'll be adding is the vanilla essence, so I'll add some to it and then I'll mix everything together and our batter is ready for us to fry our pancake. Our batter is now ready, so I'll use this to scoop some into the frying pan. I'm using the same frying pan I used to melt the margarine. So I will let one side fry, then I'll flip it to the other side and also let it fry, and we have our pancake. That's all. It's so simple. So after this I'll repeat the process until I finish frying all the pancakes. This place smells amazing already, and as we can see our pancake looks so appetizing. So I'm going to check the other side. I've checked and I've seen that it's well fried, so I'm taking it off. Then we can fry the next one. If you have the ingredients, please go ahead and give this recipe a try and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Please, if you have also made pancakes, let me know, is this how you make your pancakes or you make it in another way? I'm flipping it to the other side. I'll let it also fry and then I'll take this off. So if you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and click the subscription button and press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Guys, we finished frying our pancakes and I've transferred them into the different plate. The one by the side, I've given it a bite, and as you can see, it is well fried and it tastes so delicious. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.